Are you a photographer, or can you take images or using photos with your smartphone or your computer, or if you have a good camera where you can make photos? This is a platform I found out for you to make money online. It's just simple. Or if you don't have images, you can just copy and paste. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and watch all these videos until to the end, and let me show you step by step on how to make money like these ones here. More money while online. Now let me show you on this one. Like this one here, it's a photo where you can just get these photos free of charge while copying these photos and pasting on the sites that I will show you in a minute to come. Several photos. If you get like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, it's simple, easy, and you can earn a lot of money. Like now, for example, this one is just one photo and it costs at $3. When you have 5 photos, it goes to what about if you have 10 of them, that goes to $150. And it is simple and strategic. It is free of charge, and if you're just starting out, this one is for you, free of charge, anywhere in the world. Now let me know where you're watching this video from. Before we start, can you do me a favor? Just go down there and like this YouTube video, or you can just smash the like subscribe button down here, and it will be quite amazing, because that's the only thing I will love from you. Before we start, now you can also turn on the notification button, so whenever I produce a video, you'll be the first one to see it. Now on this channel I've produced several videos that whenever you watch them, you can make money online on different sites, different topics, on different apps that will make you money while at home. Now let me show you the first site, which is called fop.com. On this site, how it works: you sell and buy images. So people visit this site when they want to sell and buy images. You have to watch this video until the end as I show you my strategy step by step, so that you can show you every step on how to upload, how to sign up, and also register yourself so that you can start working and paying yourself with images. Don't panic, I'll show you on step by step on where to get the images on another site. Follow this video strategy so you don't have to miss any site that I'll show you where to retrieve the images and upload them here and start making money. You don't have to do any marketing at all. Now this is exactly how it works out. Now when you go to the site itself, you have to click here and click on this button called sell your content. So here how it works: you can just download this app on the App Store if you have an iPhone, or you can just use the Google Play Store for the Android phones, so that you can have the app, and it's easy and super easy. It can work. So this is how it works: simply upload your videos and photos and earn money. So when brands or people or anyone finds your photos on this site and buys the photos or the images, you'll have to get 50% of the earnings. So whatever happens is free of charge. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to do any marketing by yourself. What happens is just upload the photos, make sure the photos, and I'll show you the step by step at the end of this video, so that you can simply upload the videos and photos of yourself in another site, and at the same time how to find these images for free and get paid 50% of the sales that you have to at the end of the day when someone buys on this site. Now let me show you how FOP works out to pay you your photos or images. When someone buys a single photo, it is at $10. Now what happens is, whenever someone clicks on the one photo and pay $10, which means the 5% of viewers will be $5. And the most popular plan that people use is the package. You see, sometimes the FOP gives you a package of your photos where you just continue uploading, and then they will group up your photos together and sell them as a package of 20 photos. And whenever someone buys them at a package at $180, that one means you get some good amount of money while someone. And at the same time, there are some others who buy like 100 photos in a group of them, and that one simply simple mathematics. That one means to $300 per day. This one is amazing and it's completely very great, because whenever someone buys, this is an opportunity for you. You don't have to do a lot of work. Stay tuned, because I'll show you how and where to get the images. Even if you don't have the images yourself, even if you don't have cameras or anything to take your photos, stay tuned, watch until to the end, because I'll show you a site where we can retrieve these images for free. Before we continue, I'll show you this step by step. One thing I like about FOP is they have new missions every week, and they keep on updating every now and then, where you can take up the task, and then when you complete the missions, you can get paid a lot of money. And they keep on updating all the time on this site. As you can see, all these are missions where you can also participate, and whenever you win, you can earn a lot of money and make yourself money while at home. Before I show you the site where you can retrieve the photos, let me show you the second website where you can also make money with your images. It's called Shutterstock. Shutterstock is one of the sites that will pay you when you upload your images, and it's also completely free of charge, where it's another opportunity for you. You don't have to pay anything, so stay tuned. You see, whenever you upload here your images, they can pay you even more. And some people just combine the two sites. You can, when someone cannot find you on FOP.com, he can also buy on your images on the site, the same images posted on two different sites, and you can make more money, though they don't pay more as those of the other side of FOP.com, but you can also make a good income from here. Now look at this. Look at this one here. Whenever you want to buy anything on Shutterstock, you come to this site here on this page, and whenever someone clicks on this one here, you can see for them they pay at end month, so you can do that every month. As you see, your income as goes in. They have a good package where you can someone can buy 350 images, and they pay you $169 for 350 images. And before I show you the way you get these images, all of them all together, that one means it's a good for you. You don't have to do any marketing at all. It is just free of charge, and they have very good connection with the other international marketing agencies. Now real quick, let me show you something here before we go to where I can show you to retrieve the software where you can retrieve images and photos for free of charge. I'll show you how to sign up on FOP at the same time on Shutterstock, so that you can start working out. Now let's go to FOP.com and see how to sign up. What you have to do is you have to click on the sign up button down here, and then click on the sign up green button on this window that pops up. At the same time, after you register yourself, you have to confirm with your email address. With Shutterstock, what you have to do is click on the button sell your stuff, and then come here on this site. It's called become a contributor. Now what you have to do is you'll go to get started. Now whenever you come to get started, you put up your full name, your display, email address. At the same time, click on the subscription and then next. Now whenever you join up, you can become a contributor. But now here is the bonus. Now whenever you sign up on Shutterstock, Shutterstock has a way of refer, whereby you can refer your colleagues, your friends, and then earn more money. This one is also very amazing, because you'll earn more money while doing referring and also sharing with your friends and family on whoever wants to join this, and you'll get paid. Now what happens here is you can get this on Google Play Store, on FOP.com, and let me show you the review on how people are using this app in the world, and how many reviews they have on Google Play Store. As you can see here, they have 3.6 stars, which means so many people are using it to get more money on images and photos. Now I want you to go on Google and type in the keyword Canva. You'll have to find such a organic result where you'll get this word here called Canva. You have to click on that, and quickly let me show you how to sign up. It's just simple. You don't have to use anything. What you have to do is when you sign up, you'll have to come here and on this one here, where you'll get retrieve images and photos, where you upload on Shutterstock and FOP.com. What you have to do is you'll put in your email, your name, your email address, and then get started. just free of charge. You don't have to worry about it. So what you have to do, there are thousands and thousands of templates here, and these templates are free of charge for you to download. You can use all this, and let me show you. I'll show you step by step on how to edit some of them whenever you want them, and then upload them on the site that you want. You can just download on your site, even if you're using a free smartphone or a computer. It's just okay, where you can download them and upload here on Shutterstock or fob.com and start making money just like that. Simple like that. You don't have to do anything. Now when you come on the site itself, canva.com, as you can see here, a live demo. I want to show you this one for free of charge. These are thousands of images, as you can see here. There are templates of anything, anywhere. The good thing with Shutterstock, with Canva, is you can edit around. Like this one image here, you see, it's very beautiful. You can just start editing yourself. When you click update, it's quite important here. You can add in your titles. You can change the image the way you want. You can click on it. Like for example here, you can change the grid. You can also add in some features the way you want them to look like. You can add on headings and titles. As you can see here, you can type in and then edit the heading yourself as you want. You can put in your name or your business name or your anything that you wish, and then make the images more lovely, and any beautiful photo that you will want to edit it and then upload it on the site like fob.com or Shutterstock. As you can see, this one here, you can put in different photos, and you can do this over and over again on Shutterstock and fob.com and make more money. Thank you for watching this video. This is Arnest Digits, and if you have got anything good under this video and you wish to also start making money online, don't hesitate to watch most of my videos on this video and subscribe now.